Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Toyota Camry radio. Before we begin, let's make sure you have the right tools for the job. You'll need a plastic trim removal tool to protect your dashboard, a trusty Phillips head screwdriver, and a 10mm socket with a socket wrench. Most importantly, for your safety, always disconnect the negative battery terminal before starting any work. Now, let's move on to disassembling the dash trim. Begin by carefully prying off the side dash trim panels with your plastic tool to avoid scratches. Next, remove the center console trim that surrounds the gear shifter. You might need to shift into a lower gear for better access. Finally, gently detach the climate control panel, making sure to disconnect any electrical connectors behind it. With the trim panels out of the way, you can now access the radio unit. You'll find 4 10mm bolts securing the radio assembly. Carefully remove these. Once the bolts are out, gently pull the entire radio unit forward. This will give you access to the rear, where you'll need to disconnect all the electrical wiring harnesses and the antenna cable. You're almost there. Double-check that all 9 or so electrical cables and the antenna are completely detached from the back of the radio unit. Once everything is disconnected, you can fully remove the radio. Remember to store your old radio and all the screws in a safe place. When you're ready to install a new unit or put the original back, simply reverse these steps.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.